Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time format of Windows 11 here, 24-hour to 12-hour format here. So as you can see, this is now in the 24-hour format here. So to change the 12-hour format, you just need to go to the time section here and right click on it. And here you'll find the option called adjust date and time here. So just click on it. And this will open the settings of your date and time here. You just need to scroll down and find the language and region option here. Click on language and region. Then you just need to again scroll down and find this region format here. So just click on it. And then here you'll find the option called change format here. So just click on change formats. And then here you'll find the option short time. So this is the option that you need to change here. And then you just have to choose the 9:40 AM here, 09:40 AM. And if you choose that, as you can see, now it's on the 12-hour format here. So this is how you can change the 24-hour format to 12-hour format in your Windows 11 PC here. If you want to change that again, you just have to choose this short time and just choose this here. So that's it guys, this is how you can change the 24-hour format to 12-hour format in Windows 11 here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.